DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making over an office chair using the new pouring medium from DecoArt. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make over an office chair. DecoArt Pouring Medium is flying off the shelves, so pick some up and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.